Every business owner has one wish. I wish there were two of me. One to handle the boring routine work, responding to emails, checking prices, and the other one to focus on strategy, meet VIP clients, or maybe just play a round of golf. For 30 years, this was just a dream. Training a new employee takes months, and they still make mistakes. But today I finally did it. I cloned myself. Meet custom GPTs. This is not the standard ChatGPT. The standard AI is smart, but it doesn't know my business. It doesn't know my price list, my inventory, or my negotiation style. But custom GPT allows me to upload my own brain into the system. I uploaded my PDF catalogs, my past emails, and my Excel price lists. Basically, I gave it my 30 years of experience. You might think, Popo, I don't know how to code. Guess what? Neither do I. Building this bot is easier than teaching a human intern. Step 1. Go to Create a GPT. Step 2. Upload your files. I uploaded Popo Steel price list. PDF. Step 3. Give it a simple instruction. You are the sales manager of my company. Always be polite, professional, and offer a 2% discount for big orders. Look at this. I ask, what is the price for 500 tons of H-beam? My AI clone reads the PDF instantly and gives the exact quote with the discount. I am sleeping in bed, but AI Popo is working 247, closing deals for me. We have covered the essentials: email, vision, voice, and data. The basic training is over. Now the real business begins. I will continue to share new tools and market insights on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe. If an old steel man like me can do it, so can you. See you in the next video.